Well, tech failure there, hit a button. So this is take two. We're doing Confessions of an Ag Teacher Educator. Today I get to teach the class about how do we maximize adults to be leaders for youth. And it can be difficult. This class has no prerequisites, and we all have to start from somewhere. And so we had three great readings. A New York Times article that talks about the challenges of adolescence from 2 weeks ago. A great Journal of Ag Ed article from Marshall Baker about aligning the Ag Ed model with Kolb's experiential model. And Dr. Larry Miller from The Ohio State University and a white paper he wrote about experiential learning. And so that was great. We were able to take those pre-class readings, create knowledge from them and saying what are the connecting factors, and then dive right in because the underlying theory of this class is experiential learning, and create an example and set up a model of what is experiential learning and what are some examples. So the students had to actually do that, and they did a really good job. Then we set out expectations and some of the cool things we get to do. And like for this year, was really nervous, but we introduced Pink Time from Daniel Pink, the author of Drive and Other Motivation, about intrinsic motivation. How can we help students have autonomy to master and do great things? And so since we are Penn State, we want to make sure that we have students who feel like they have an opportunity to dig in and learn and do the great things they want to do. And people who know me know it's really difficult because I value every instructional minute. 5 contact hours, which is the equivalent of 25 class hours, have been given to the students for them to explore what they want to learn most in their own Pink Time adventures of school-based ag education and how they can be cool youth leaders. So I thought the day was fun. It's always cool to explore new things. As an instructor, I did a poor job of having clarity with the experiential learning model, and so I'm going to follow up with a reading to the students and hope that we can keep picking up the pieces and they can overcome some of my limitations. But I think that we have an enthusiastic group and we're going to make the most out of it. So as always, if you have ideas on how to make a class better, if you want to share something about school-based ag education, developing youth through organizations like the National FFA organization or Supervised Ag Experience, drop me an email at foster@psu.edu or Twitter at FosterDanielD. Signing off, your local agriculture teacher educator.